morning, guys. It's 7:15. I wasn't gonna start the vlog today, but I guess I was gonna start later today. But I literally woke up early this morning to drive to Starbucks and film a video for y'all. A, my camera died, and B, Starbucks was closed. So I went to a cafe in my town, got a bagel with cream cheese and a small coffee, and put a shitload of vanilla creamer in there. But anyway, welcome to my weekend in my life. Hope you guys enjoy. I'm just at school. I got here earlier, obviously, because I thought I was gonna go to Starbucks, and I'm listening to this getting confidential. See you soon. Hi. It's 1:06. I'm done with school, and I got home a little while ago. I made oatmeal a while ago, like last weekend. I think last Monday, and I just didn't eat it all, so I put it in the fridge, and it was just like 3 spoonfuls. But I ate that. I just really want to have just like a lazy day, really calm, really chill. So I think to do that, I'm just gonna go work out, might go buy a tanning subscription, and then, actually I'm not gonna do that today. I'm just gonna go work out, come home, and literally just lay in bed for the rest of the day. That's what I want to do. I'm not feeling too good, I'm not feeling pretty. Well, if I'm not feeling pretty, then I should probably buy a tanning subscription. We have prom April 10th, and I want to be able to tan all the way up until there, so I feel like if I buy it now, it's gonna be too early. And it's gonna end before then. But I'm on my period. I just want a lazy day. So to get a lazy day, I need to work out first, so I feel like I did something. That's what we're gonna do today. I haven't just like had a day to just chill out, but that's today. I get to watch Summer House, which like I love Summer House, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna, I guess I'll vlog a little bit of the why, but I'm just gonna be on a treadmill and then doing abs. So see you there, I guess. I want to make sure no one was like in cars next to me. I wasn't at the gym. I'm gonna go to Walmart because I think for lunch I'm going to eat an English muffin with avocado and egg, and the other one a almond butter. But I need avocados, and then this upcoming week my friend and she's on a cut right now, so I think I want to do the same. I just weighed myself. I hate weighing myself. Like, I don't like weighing myself because honestly it's more about how you feel and if you like the way you look and if you're happy with the way you look, you shouldn't weigh yourself, because like I'm a very muscular person and I have a muscular athletic build, so I have a lot of muscle, and when I weigh myself I get very discouraged. But I do know that I have probably I could drop a few because I have not been eating healthy literally at all. I've been eating like shit. So I think it's okay to, this is so hot, to try to cut down, or I just want to get healthy. I have prom coming up and I just want to be in my best shape. And yeah, so that's the plan, Stan. Gonna go get an avocado. My mom ordered me protein shake, so get on that, have all my fruit for my smoothies, have all my vegetables and all my meats. We're good there. I think I want to get a few energy drinks because Kenzie Elizabeth was talking about some like Celsius or something, because I get really tired throughout the day, and then some ginger shots for the morning. I'm gonna craft my perfect morning routine this upcoming week. I'm feeling motivated. I'm gonna do it, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. I will film a video if I do make my perfect morning routine for a week, and then I'm also gonna film a healthy habit video because I did create some new healthy habits. So my tangent, gonna go to Walmart. See you guys when I'm there. My car keeps saying get an oil and it needs inspection, but I literally just got that yesterday, so I don't know why I keep saying that. I'll give you a little Walmart haul in my car. I got English muffins. I wanted to get the whole wheat ones, but I'm only eating them during the weekend, so like my dad eats them and I don't think he'd appreciate that. An avocado. I got 2 of these ginger wellness shots because those are huge. I don't think I'll be able to have a whole one of those. Then I'm gonna eat super healthy, and I feel like for my snack I can have this little fiber brownie. I just got the Walmart version to see if I even like it, and then I just got some maple and brown sugar oatmeal because we ran out. And I mean, I used to eat this like every single day, but because I'm trying to be healthy, I'm not. Oatmeal's healthy, but it's just not what I'm eating this week. But I know both my sisters and my dad likes it, so bought that. And I'm so excited to go home and grub a dub. I'm so like hungry. I also picked up so I'm like having a lazy day, and I picked up these peanut butter pretzels. They had like a healthier kind, but it was more expensive, only 40 calories less, and a lot less was in the packaging, and I'm only eating them during the weekend. So yeah, my parents are obsessed with this, as am I. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna watch Gossip Girl, edit videos, and eat pretzels. So good. Is it for my Walmart? Oh, I'm gonna finally go home and shower. See you guys there. I'm finally vlogging on my camera, but I just set up the Apple TV and put a new monitor in my room. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm gonna watch Gossip Girl. You guys, I'm just been like, I don't know if you guys ever do this, but like I literally crave shows for some reason. So I'm gonna watch Gossip Girl. I'm gonna shower, make my stuff. But I'm so happy. I'm so bad with technology, and I finally was able to figure my stuff out. A perfect avocado. I swear, you guys, I am the best at picking out avocados every single time. They're perfect. I'm gonna make an egg, put it on an English muffin. Y'all will see the end results. Almond butter on one, and then underneath my egg, I put feta cheese and my avocado and an egg. Watching Kenzie Elizabeth currently. Alright, I'm deciding to clean my beauty blender, so I looked up a little recipe. I'm just gonna put that in there. It's super soapy. I'm setting a timer for 5 minutes and set a 2-to-1 ratio of dish soap and olive oil and hot water. Gotta put it in there for 5 minutes and then massage it. I'll let you guys know the results. I'm gonna make either protein pancakes. I think I'm gonna make pancakes. There's a bit between that or waffles, but this is what we got going. I have not used this one yet. I think my mom picked this up from Aldi's. I use this one, it's from Walmart. There's not much left, so I'm just gonna combine the two. And then I have this pure maple syrup that I love. So I'm gonna like treat myself, make myself a little breakfast. So let's get it. Y'all, look at how much cleaner my beauty blender is. It looks brand new. My pancakes are going. It's probably about time to flip. I'm gonna do that. I'm so happy that beauty blender thing worked. I'm surprised, actually. Oh gosh, these actually look so fire. Are you kidding? Look at those. These look perfect. On the weekends, I like to treat myself to coffee with dairy French vanilla creamer, because if you follow me on Instagram or watch my Healthy What I Eat in a Week, you know that I use like an almond milk vanilla creamer with no sugar, no dairy, which it tastes fine, but like this is just so rich in flavor. This tastes so good. My little treat. Chef's kiss. I burnt my tongue yesterday on that coffee I drank in the morning, so that kind of sucks. Anyway, my last 2 pancakes are cooking. I'm gonna let my dog out really quickly. Look at how patient she's been. It's beautiful outside today, you guys. The weather, the sky. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. It's so pretty. Watching Gossip Girl, edited a video, got it up. Hold on, I'm wearing my retainer. It's 10:02. Me and Brett are gonna go to the Y. I am gonna take some pictures after because I need to post pictures for when I post my Shein haul, and I want to post pictures like in the shirts that I bought. So got this little outfit going and that one. I picked up these purses from this girl named Mason. I follow her on her closet account. This really cute purse from Pretty Little Thing, and then this little hand one from Shein. I'm gonna wear this purse with this outfit. Yeah, we're just gonna go take a few pictures in those outfits so I can post them on this week when I post my video. Now I'm gonna go to the Y. So I'll see you guys after when I'm all dolled up for the pictures.
Every time we say goodbye,
I'm ready to take pictures. I'm wearing the top that I got from Shein. It's in the Shein haul. I don't know if this, I think that'll be up before this, yeah. So go check that out. But I'm going to take pictures for the thumbnail for my Instagram. So Shein, these are Free People, but I got them from Too Blue. And then these shoes are just like Nike Air Force 97s, and I did my makeup. We're all done taking pictures. Literally, there's this like little open space in my garage of a white wall, and it's perfect lighting. It was amazing. Brenna's great at photography, so she took the pics for me. This is my second outfit: chokers, shirt from Shein, pants, H&M. But yeah, I'm gonna eat because I'm so hungry, and I'm gonna do the laundry. All in all, it was a pretty successful day for photo shoots. We took pictures at a movie theater. Anyway, that's what's happening. I'm gonna eat. I'm so hungry. But yeah, so happy with how those pictures turned out. So follow me on Instagram to see them. I'm gonna take a picture for my thumbnail. I just took a selfie for my thumbnail. And I'm gonna take pictures of this. Okay. See you guys later. Lunch, same thing as yesterday. Finishing the VSCO podcast. Okay, guys. It is 6 o'clock, but I'm all ready to go. I'm just wearing this Brandy Melville sweatshirt that says New York, and then Lululemon leggings, a Lululemon headband. I'm getting packed up. The party is a surprise party for my friend Jay, so it's exciting. He's not getting there till 7:15. We're getting there around 6:45, 7 o'clock-ish. The only reason I'm going early is because I want to go try that coffee from Starbucks. Yeah. Okay, you guys. Secured the drink. I forgot to add vanilla cold foam on top, but I think it'll be fine. I don't know. But we have it. I'm like really excited. I've heard mixed reviews, so we'll see if I like it. I'm driving, so sorry if it's dark. I like it. I actually really like it. I was really nervous to try it because I got mixed reviews, as I said. But I like it. I think it has just the perfect amount of like the brown sugar. The coffee tastes really good.
It's like, whoa.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, I know. Everybody's saying that.
I just want to know.
You just got me yelling at
Jackson.
Jackson. You just got me yelling at Jackson.
This is the hoster, and it's her boyfriend's
Wait,
birthday.
did you just say hoster?
Yeah, it's the hostess.
Why
Whatever
are
the
you
hoster.
looking at me?
This is Alexa. This is Mare. That's cute. So yeah, that's all that's happening. There's a lot of people here. Jay's coming. Yay! I'm excited.
Yeah, he is coming.
Now?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Wait a minute.